Hello everyone, it's Cheyenne and welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing a plan with me today. I'm going to be doing the last 2 weeks in October for this year, at least laying down the stickers. Don't really have a whole lot planned, but I can at least get it set up and ready to go. So I've got my little kits that I have designed specifically for my needs. I designed them in Adobe Illustrator. I just make sure they fit within the 6.75 by 9.25 box that the Cricut can print and cut. I export them as PNGs and then I upload them into Cricut Design Space, print and cut them on sticker paper with the washi sheet setting, and I am all ready to go. I will usually cut them up so that I can do a whole bunch of them at once and then just have them ready to go when it's time for me to plan for the week. I'm also going to be showing you the Mickey glitter dividers that are now available in my shop. So when you purchase it, you will get an instant download for the rainbow, the silver and gold, and the pastel glitter dividers. So all you do, you take that file, upload it into your Cricut Design Space. When you bring it onto your mat, make sure it falls within that 6.75 by 9.25 realm. Make sure that lock button is on because you don't want it to get all wonky. Then you go ahead, print onto whatever sticker paper you want to use. I'm sure these would be fantastic with glossy sticker paper, but I only have matte right now. And then I always click the blur edges, bleed edges button, just in case things are off just a little bit within my Cricut machine. It doesn't look funny, so that's why these look a little big. So this is how it's going to come out. It's going to print out like this. You put it in your Cricut machine. Washi sheet setting is what I found works the best. Pretty sure I already said that. It'll cut out and everything will be beautiful. It will take a little bit of time to cut these out, but you can do each of these. And then once I get them all print and cut, I will cut them down to a better size for me, because then I just put everything into my like planner go bag. So this goes with me, it goes into my tote bag, and this is most of what I'm probably going to need on the go planning. And we'll do a what's in my bag at a later date. That sounds like a fun video. Alright, we are on the Mini Happy Planner and we're going to be using the printables from by Alex Marie Designs on Etsy. Loving this setup. It's just really working for me. So we're going to go ahead and take out our 2 weeks so we can get that going. Oh my gosh, then we'll be on to November. What has happened to this year? Okay, for the rest of this video, I'm just going to speed through it and do a voiceover. And yeah, so let's get planning. Alright, step 1 in recording a voiceover for the first time in over a year is to make sure that you have a cold. Yes, that's right, folks. I have a cold. It's not going away, so fingers crossed I'm not going to be sniffling and sneezing during this. So let's get to it. First up, we're going to put down our date covers and date dots. Now, those date dots are from a set that I got from Aldi's. I love Aldi's. But it is a little strange that those date dots go all the way up to 32. I don't know what months they're expecting us to plan for, but none of my months go up to 32. No idea what I'm going to do with those extra 32s, but I will try to figure it out. I do love the colors that come in that set, and that is wonderful. The rest of the time, I'm just putting my stickers down where they're supposed to go, where they're designed to go. Makes it very short and sweet when I'm laying down my stickers. I'm using my new Mickey dividers, and I am loving them. They are perfect, and I can definitely see more sets with different colors and textures and all of that going on. I definitely want to play around with some like foil effects and maybe even some marbling. They are a little delicate, so be careful when you're peeling them up. That little band that's going all the way across is tiny, so use caution. The washi tape that I am using is probably from Michaels. All of my washi is either from Michaels, Stampin' Up, or Amazon. I have recently discovered that you can buy washi on Amazon Prime, and it's wonderful. I love Amazon Prime. It is a wonderful, wonderful thing. I've got some deco stickers that I designed using images from Hand Mech on Etsy. That will be linked in the description bar below if you are interested in seeing all that he has to offer. He's got so many wonderful little clip art kits on there. A lot of them are Disney inspired, and it's just wonderful for people like me who love Disney and the cute little unicorns. I mean, I love it. My hair color is constantly changing, so having it with pink hair and rainbow hair, like, just wonderful. Just wonderful. So I'm laying down the rest of my deco and my boxes and trying to get my week squared away as best as I can. I always try to have a self-care Sunday going on, so I have that stuff special. My shopping and errands, my design list for my Etsy shop and all of that, and my meal prep are all things that I make sure I have in my planner every week. The little sidebar, I have been really enjoying having my running to-do list and my weekly clean list. That's been very helpful. And yeah, I am really digging these principles and just the way everything turns out. We've moved on to our second week now. That washi with the text on it, that was from Michaels. That is a Tim Holtz set. I love using Tim Holtz products around Halloween. I think they really fit well. I also love to take washi and make them into like little banner shapes. That is super fun. Another way to use your washi. And yeah. I am really liking the way these 2 weeks are turning out. I love Halloween, so anything that has that Victorian, Tim Burton-esque sort of Halloween feel, that is right up my alley and my aesthetic. If you add in some cute things and some Disney things, like, this is all me. This is my cup of tea. All right, so we are almost done. We are finishing up. It is before the pen because like this is way in advance. I have no idea what's going to be going on these weeks, but it's nice that my stickers and my basic game plan is already down and done and ready to go. Okay, and here we have it. All the stickers are laid down. It is before the pen. Hi, Cooper. My kitty's jumping up here with me. He's got a little box in the corner. He's very cute right now. Actually, let's take some video of that and insert it here. Hey, Cooper. You joining me? You trying to give some inspiration? Or is this, it's the warmest room in the house, so you like to just come and chill and be warm in here? Yeah? You just look over it. Are you giving Grumpy Cat a run for his money? Cooper? You're just going to ignore me now? Typical. All right, so for those of you that don't know, we have 5 cats. 5. And I love them all dearly, and they're great. And they do like to hang out with me when I'm in my art room or designing things at my computer in my office, or when I'm working out. So they're great support most of the time when they're not laying across everything that I'm trying to do, or when the yoga mat's out, they decide they've got to be right there in the middle of it. It's usually not 5 of them, but at least 2 are with me on my yoga mat, so that's fun. So anyway, here we are, stickers down, before the pen. I just got to fill all that stuff out, and that'll be good. I did realize while I was doing this that I need to work on some stickers, so I need some script stickers. So I need a plan, a to-do, a bills due, film, edit, and upload, now that I'm doing YouTube again. So I think I'm going to experiment with foiling with that. So that's either going to be absolutely brilliant, or I'm going to throw things out windows, and that'll be fun too. It'll be amusing for the neighbors who are the deer and the rabbits and the antelopes. No, we don't have antelopes here in Vermont, but you know, it's the wildlife because I live out in the middle of nowhere. So here is this week. Super happy with it. I am loving the Mickey dividers. Those are just fantastic. Definitely going to have to do like even more like color lines with them. Color stories, what are they called? But that'll be great. And here we have Halloween week. It's just so much fun. So all of these I'll fill out, you know, with, you know, where I'm going to be doing my shopping, different designs I want to focus on, and then all of the meal prep, because I'm trying to be good about what I'm eating. And, you know, my aim is 80 to 90% clean and the other 10 to 20% whatever. Right now, I'd say it's kind of 50-50. So that's just how it goes. So up here, my to-do sticker will go. My bills due sticker will go down here. I find that having a running to-do list over here works better for me than filling it out each day, and then just the list of things to clean during the week. The film edit and upload will probably be in amongst here throughout, because that's something that's going to be more day specific. The goal is to upload once a week because I don't want to go crazy. It could be multiple times a week depending on what I've got going on with everything. But anyway, that is it. Thank you so much for joining me in all of this, and yeah, happy planning, and we'll see you next time. Bye.